A CMMS is a computerized maintenance management system, and that is primarily based around maintenance of assets. Broadly speaking, CAFM and IWMS are similar in nature. Where a CAFM or an IWMS system takes things a step further is it provides that maintenance management functionality, but also a range of other things you may want to do within a facility, such as property and estate management, room booking, and some of the more ancillary things that exist within a facilities management function on top of just maintenance management.
CAFM Explorer is very well placed against the competition in the market. We score particularly highly on feature function when we look at comparison sites. It's a product that's got really solid foundations. It's been around for a number of years and led the market in a number of areas. We continue to see really significant investment in terms of our roadmap and customer engagement and how we really deliver value.